This year's kitchen must-haves are changing the game, and today we're looking at the most useful gadgets taking the internet by storm. From space-saving organizers to time-saving tools, these clever finds are making cooking faster, easier, and way more fun. Whether you're a home chef or just love smart upgrades, these gadgets will instantly level up your kitchen. Let's dive into the ones everyone is talking about. This compact electric round griddle transforms breakfast on the go by cooking pancakes, eggs, cookies, and more, without the hassle of multiple pans. Its lightweight design makes it perfect for small kitchens, dorms, RVs, or anyone who needs quick meals without the mess. The non-stick dual cooking surfaces heat evenly in just minutes, delivering consistent results every time. With a simple plug-in setup and indicator light, it takes the stress out of cooking and replaces it with speed, convenience, and versatility. This folding chef knife delivers full-size cutting power with a 4.8-inch blade that folds down to just 5.4 inches, making it perfect for camping, travel, or compact kitchen spaces. Its natural olive wood handle is hand-polished by artisans, offering a comfortable anti-slip grip that feels premium and secure. Despite its portable size, it's built for serious daily cooking, chopping, slicing, and prepping with ease wherever you are. Durable, lightweight, and beautifully crafted, it gives any cook the freedom to prepare meals anywhere with confidence. This titanium cutting board set includes 3 lightweight, double-sided boards in small, medium, and large sizes, perfect for safely separating fruits, veggies, raw meat, and cooked foods. Each board is crafted from premium titanium, giving you a non-porous surface that resists moisture, odors, and deep knife grooves far better than wood or plastic. At half the weight of steel, yet 3 times more durable than traditional boards, they're built for everyday cooking without warping or wearing down. Easy to clean and incredibly long-lasting, this set upgrades any kitchen with durability, hygiene, and modern convenience. This 2-pack under-sink organizer features a smart C-shaped design that fits perfectly around plumbing, while creating extra room for tall bottles and hard-to-store items. Its 2-layer sliding drawers glide smoothly, giving easy access to cleaning supplies, toiletries, and kitchen essentials without digging through clutter. With 5 adjustable height levels and expanded basket capacity, it adapts to different cabinet sizes and stores more than ever before. Built with thickened steel, sturdy brackets, and slip-proof stabilizers, it delivers strong, reliable storage that keeps any cabinet neat and effortlessly organized. This bamboo corner bread box maximizes countertop space with a double-layer design that stores bread, pastries, fruits, spices, and everyday kitchen essentials all in one place. Its moisture-balanced interior keeps bread fresher for longer, reducing waste and preserving flavor. A clear acrylic window, smooth magnetic latch, and eco-friendly bamboo construction add both style and durability to any kitchen. With a fenced flat top for extra storage and a sleek modern look, it's a practical, space-saving upgrade that brings charm and organization to the countertop. This BPA-free food storage set features crystal-clear, stain-resistant Tritan containers with airtight, leak-proof lids that keep meals fresh and secure wherever they go. Each container includes built-in microwave vents, allowing convenient reheating without removing the lid or creating a mess. Lightweight yet durable, these stackable containers help organize your fridge or pantry while standing up to daily use. With 5 3.2-cup containers and matching lids, this 10-piece set is perfect for meal prep, lunches, leftovers, and streamlined kitchen storage. This hot air popcorn popper delivers a healthier snack by popping kernels with air instead of oil, giving you a flavorful low-fat treat in minutes. It makes up to 8 cups of crispy gourmet popcorn in about 2 minutes, perfect for movie nights, quick cravings, or personal-sized snacking. The vented cover doubles as a serving bowl with a snap-on lid, making the whole process fast, simple, and mess-free. With no oily residue to clean, both the base and cover wipe down effortlessly, making this compact popper a convenient upgrade to any kitchen. This compact electric egg cooker makes perfect eggs anywhere, offering a space-saving design ideal for apartments, dorms, RVs, or busy mornings on the go. Its digital timer, transparent lid, and auto shutoff feature ensure consistently cooked eggs with zero guesswork, while BPA-free materials keep every meal safe. A built-in buzz alarm signals when your eggs are ready, and detachable non-stick accessories make cleanup incredibly quick and hassle-free. With its sleek design and portable convenience, it's a smart, reliable kitchen essential, and a thoughtful gift for anyone who loves fast, easy breakfasts. This premium dish drying rack is built with sturdy stainless steel and durable PP plastic, ensuring long-lasting resistance to rust, corrosion, and bending for everyday kitchen use. Its multi-angle swivel drainage spout directs water straight into the sink, keeping countertops dry and giving you flexible placement options to fit any setup. The removable plate rack, utensil holder, and drain board make cleaning effortless while maintaining a breathable, sanitary drying space. With strong load-bearing support and a heightened fence to prevent dishes from slipping, it delivers dependable, organized drying for all your kitchen essentials. This 20-jar revolving spice rack keeps every essential seasoning right at your fingertips with a polished stainless steel design that looks stylish on any countertop. Each pre-filled glass jar includes a removable sifter cap and clear labels, making it easy to pour, measure, and find exactly what you need while cooking. The smooth 360-degree rotation keeps all your flavors accessible, whether you're prepping, baking, or finishing a dish. With 5 years of free spice refills, it's a long-lasting, convenient upgrade that keeps your kitchen organized and your recipes full of flavor. This clip-on silicone strainer attaches securely to almost any pot, pan, or bowl, letting you drain pasta, veggies, ground beef, and more without ever transferring food. Its universal dual-clip design keeps everything in place, making straining faster, safer, and completely mess-free. Compact and flexible, it takes up a fraction of the space of a traditional colander, freeing up your cabinets and countertops. Made from BPA-free, heat-resistant silicone, it's built to withstand high temperatures without bending, melting, or breaking, delivering long-lasting convenience in every kitchen. This Thaw-Claw defroster speeds up the thawing process by keeping frozen meat fully submerged, helping it defrost up to 7 times faster and far safer than leaving it on the counter. Its strong suction cup locks securely to any sink, no matter the size, while preventing packages from floating so the meat stays evenly submerged. With zero assembly required, it's incredibly simple to use. Just attach it, add water, and let it work. Compact and easy to store, it's a must-have kitchen tool for quick, stress-free meal prep.